Hello guys, I hope you are really good. In this video I'm going to tell you about the how choose your business name and how you can use the ChatGPT for choosing your name, your business name actually. In the last video, in my previous video, I told you about how you can make one board from 5 advisor, and they help you how you can improve and develop your business. The advisor was the advisor was one of them: Steve Jobs, Seth Godin, Brian Brown, and Simon Singh. And I learn you how you can use the ChatGPT for make that board. And I told you in that video, and now I tell you again, if you want the complete prompt for putting in the ChatGPT, just put your name or ask for in the comment. I send it for you, the complete one. And in this video I'm going to tell you about how choose your business name. The first things in the business name is very important, that you have to ask from your name. The first one is then the first important thing is that one is the business name have to memorable and simple, and it's available, and it's very easy to pronounce and easy to say actually. And the second one is the psychology behind that business name. For example, the one name remind you the luxury brand, one name remind you the friendly brand, and another one remind you powerful or a smart brand. For example, for my business, one of my business is about to making custom door and custom cabinet. I choose the couple door and cabinet. Why couple? Because in that business I'm working with the luxury house and custom house. For that I want the powerful name and very professional name. The couple in the Spanish language, it means leader. And the couple door, it means the leader of the door, and this is very powerful and professional. For that I choose the many name and helping from ChatGPT and choose this one. Why? Because we have for example, for me I have a 4 option: the English name, the Spanish name, the Chinese name, and the Persian name. Why? Because I'm working in this area in Toronto, and many of the builders are Canadian or English language, and or Spanish or Italian or Chinese or Iranian, actually Persian. And for that I choose, okay, the Chinese name is, for me it's very difficult to say the Chinese name. For that I didn't want to choose the Chinese name. For Iranian names, I think the Iranian's name is difficult for the another people to tell about Iranian name, but the Spanish names is more more near to the English one. For that I choose the Spanish name for that one. And you have to ask from yourself, what is your business, and what kind of customer do you have, and what do you want from your business, and how you want to explain your business to your customer. And I tell you how you can use the ChatGPT for actually choosing the good name. And you know, the third one things that I want to tell you: don't have a mistake to choose the name similar to one big company. For example, the one big company is the Apple company, and you want to choose some similar name to Apple. I think it's the wrong choose. And because at the first maybe it's good, because all the people know Apple, you see Pro Apple or Pro something, Apple something. Maybe at the first it's helped you to grow your business, but at the end it's not good for your business, because always it's same, you copy then your business name from another big company, and it's not good, and you know, it's not giving good feel to your customer. For that you have to give them the good name, and you have to choose the name for yourself. Let me tell you how. Yeah. And the second one, the actually, sorry, the last one is when you want to choose your company name. At the first you have to ask about the, or search about the domain and social media availability for the, you know, username. And the domain is most important things. For example, for that business I told you, cupboard door and cabinet, I find the cupboarddoor.com. .com is very important for your website. If you can find, okay, for example, for somebody in Canada, they can put cupboarddoor.ca. It's good, but I prefer .com, because I think it's more, you know, it's more famous, the .com, and it's more valuable for the domain. The .ca is also good, that the people know you are in Canada, or if you are in US or another place. For Italy is .it, but I think the .com is the best one for that one. And actually I learn you how you can use ChatGPT for making the finding good name, and how you can search about the you know, domain, which website is good to searching about the domain, and how it's give you the idea for the domain. Let's go to the screen. See the ChatGPT, and okay, I tell him, for example, I want to search, I want to open a new business for myself, you know, what kind of business. For example, what kind of business is a cleaning business, mobile car wash. It is very good business in these days, mobile car wash, you know. My customer is young people. I want friendly and easy to say the name, and memorable. So it's give you some, you know, name. Super, you know, it's give you trendy and friendly, modern and cool, local vibe. And would you like the logo? No, just I want to search, which one? Clean Rush, Shiny Young, North Wash, Zoom Wash. Okay, I want something with pro. This, for example, I'm professional. with pro. Let me see. Pro Splash, Shiny Pro, Pro Rise, Wash Pro Go, Zoom Pro Wash, Pro Glass, Strip Pro, Auto Pro Mobile, Pro Wash 2, Young Pro Wash. Okay. The last thing that I told you, what's the important things? This searching, for example, I want to Pro Splash. Okay, the first thing I have to check for the domain availability. Okay, the base website that I use that one is this, the spaceship.com. It's for domain. You can use GoDaddy. Actually, for myself I use GoDaddy, but for searching I use a spaceship.com because it's give you more idea which domain is near to your website. Okay, which one is good? Wash Pro Go, Zoom Pro Wash, or Pro Wash 2. I think Pro Rise, Wash Pro Go is good. Let me ask here. When you going to spaceship.com, you can choose domain. Start your story with the right domain. It's search. Start your online domain. It give you the .com, .net, and you can search in here. I put here washpro.go.com. Let me see, we have is available. Washprogo.com is available, but it give you more option. Washprogo.com is just $9 for a first year. Washpro.ca is free. Also washpro.org.ai.io. It's give you more option. Let me see for another one. Bonus idea with Slinger. Wash Pro. This is a good name. Pro Splash. If you want, Pro Splash is not available. Somebody bought it in 2016, but you can you have to check your customer, what kind of customer do you have, and in that panel that I told you for business idea that I told you, you can ask about the name, which name is good or which name is not good. You have to choose your business in this panel. I think we choose. If you want this prompt, let me know. Send a comment for me under the video, and I give you complete prompt for this. It's very helpful. We want in that my previous video we asking about the photography for real estate. Okay, in that one I asked them what's name is good for this. Actually, I have the business like this. One of the another of my business that I have a partner in, that is the Lupex. Lupex Studio, but it's because of the loop, the loop, and the Lupex is Lupex Studio. It was a good name and modern, and it give you some like this. The Steve Jobs give you loop, Vista Oco frame, Alex Hormozzi tell you Snap Space Turbos. OpenLook Studio is, of course, is a good choice. I have openlookstudio.com actually domain, and Skyloop. They give you the better option. I want to recommend you to give me a comment to give you the full prompt for this actually bored to have this board in your you know for your business, from the starting idea in all of the part, it can help you. Just leave me a comment if you want this prompt, and if you have any question, or if you think I can help you to develop your business, or if you want to start your business, just put your name or you're asking in the comment. I send you the answer, and we can talk together, and I can make you a special video just for that business idea that you have. Okay, to we can, you know, to ask from other, and we can develop and, you know, start your business in the YouTube also. If you like my video, just put your finger in the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you for